Today is Monday, January 30th, and this is the DragonCharts stock analysis video for the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. We'll begin today's session by taking a look at the Hang Seng Index. And as we see here, after breaking out from a tight range consolidation of the 20, the Hang Seng is now run into resistance of the prior swing highs and the 50-day and the 200-day moving average in blue, pardon me. So while this market may be able to push higher for the next few days, we expect that the Hang Seng will have some trouble holding the 200-day MA on its first attempt, so we can expect some sort of pullback within the next few days. With that analysis in mind, for those who have open long positions, you might want to tighten up stops and potentially take profits in stocks that you feel are extended from your buy point. The market remains bullish, so we can't continue to buy select breakouts even if the market is a bit overbought. So to take advantage of the short-term bullish action, we're going to take a look at a few long setups. To do that, we're going to go to the Custom Scans tab. In today's scan, we're going to attempt to find stocks that are showing relative strength to the Hang Seng Index. And as we saw in the last chart, the Hang Seng Index is trading below the 200-day MA. So on our scan, we're going to look for stocks that are trading above the 50 and 200-day moving averages. So in order to do that, we have the moving average 50-day MA selected. We have the price equal to and greater than. The 200-day MA, price is equal to and greater than. Average daily volume is set to 2 million. Price range is 2 and greater. And the relative strength ranking is 85 and greater. We hit the Scan Now button, and we get 65 results. In order to save some time, we've already run through this list and found a few setups that we like. First ticker is 0371. And what we like about this setup is on the weekly chart, we have a downtrend line break, and we have a higher low and another higher high and a potential higher low here. So the stock is making higher highs and higher lows after bottoming out. And as we see out over the past few months, is consolidated above the 50 and 200 AMAs and has now formed a tight handle here on the right side of the pattern. We look for a buy entry over this range high with the stop beneath the 3-bar low and the 50-day moving average. And we would look for a quick 3 to 5 day advance, possibly 10-day hold if the price action responds well to the breakout. Next up is ticker 0861. And on the weekly chart, we see a clear break of the downtrend line and a tight range over several months forming here. And we drop down to the 6-month chart, and we see the tight range here. The price action is now above all 3 major moving averages, and the 50 MA is beginning to slope higher over the past 2 months. So we look for a buy entry over the 3-bar high. Those who are comfortable with a tight stop beneath the 2-bar low can set it there. If not, we'd recommend a stop beneath the most recent swing low. The next setup is 0991, and as we see here, there's a clear break of the downtrend line followed by a tight consolidation above that downtrend line. And we go over to the 6-month chart, and all the price action is currently above all the major moving averages, which is a great sign. And there are 2 potential buy entries here. One could establish a half position over the downtrend line or yesterday's or Friday's high, and add to the position above the range high, and place a stop beneath the prior swing low. So there you have it, a few potential long setups for the upcoming week. Remember that the market is becoming a bit extended, so if you have positions that are extended in price, and you should attempt to lock in some gains or trail tighter stops so that you don't give back all your profits. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining us, and good luck with your trading, and we'll see you again with the next DragonCharts stock analysis video for the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.